Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. Now, it's been a really long time since I released any videos, and an even longer time since I've done anything to the Tundra. Here we are now in February, and it's time to start working on the truck. In today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to go through and pull the Cav Blue Wrap off, take the truck back to white. Now, as you guys may know, I threw this wrap on the truck kind of last minute, right before SEMA 2023, and it really shows in some spots here and there. It's starting to tear, you know, with some rock chips and whatnot. It's kind of, you know, taking the front off. It's not too noticeable. However, on the rear bumper, it's really starting to peel back, and it's kind of bothering me a lot, especially around the cap and all that jazz. So today, we're gonna pull it back off, see what the truck looks like white. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, as we are going to start working on the truck a lot more. And we've got some other pretty exciting projects coming up. Well, I'm not going to talk too much. Let's get into pulling this wrap off and see what this thing looks like underneath the wrap. And there we have it. She is back to white, and I completely love the way this looks. I completely forgot how much I love the truck with the black and white. Also, one thing I didn't have on this when this was white is the gloss black window trims, and also the front gloss black grille surround. Mine was color matched initially, and I really love the way this looks. Anyway, now that we have the wrap off, we're gonna have to get this thing detailed. I do see some little discoloring right here on the doors, but that's really not that big of a deal. I'm gonna get into working on the truck. Again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And until next time, I hope you guys stay safe, and we'll see ya.